So, Master Koshikidake, we've been talking a lot about the Goma ritual in both Shingon and the Tendai tradition. But is Goma any different from in your tradition? Please tell us what is Goma in Shugendo?
Okay. Shugendo Goma is a ritual which is the process to become a Buddha who gains enlightenment. During this ceremony, the most important offering is our body. We call this ritual Jishinkuyo, which means that we imagine to serve our body for the deities. By this ritual, we give our body away to disclose our consciousness without earthly desires. We can cut them off by throwing our body away because the body is a source of them. The body seems like a prison of pure consciousness. We perform Saito Goma in the mountain training at the end of practice. This is the process to become an enlightened person. Then we can finally get the power to pray for people. This is the last state of mountain training to become a Buddha. But this is not the ultimate goal of mountain training. The ultimate goal is to climb down and help people as a Shugendo practitioner. Recently, lots of Mikkyo priests perform Saito Goma. They should understand the meaning of Saito Goma, or I can say Shugendo Goma, or it means nothing and it will be a just performance. Now, almost all sects of Shugendo had been transformed into Mikkyo sect after the Meiji period. Original ritual and practice were gone. Instead of that, Mikkyo sect took over the Shugendo culture and insert Mikkyo concept. The original style of Shugendo had been transformed into a Mikkyo way. Now I perform Goma regularly. It does not like so much different from other rituals such as Mikkyo way. But beyond the ritual, we visualize different image in mind and it connected with mountain training.